Hey guys, it's Glitch here. Hey, real quick, today is Myndless FPV's birthday, so we're gonna go out and fly. And if you haven't noticed already, Mount Putt, remember the video? Yeah, so me and Charlie are gonna come out here and make our attempt to fly this stuff. Anyway, let's take a look at what we got here. So, if you look, we actually have water. I think that's cool.
I love this song, man! Fucking flowy, bro! Could you not get to this? I could get to this. I'm gonna get to this today.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hey guys, Glitch here again. What a Saturday. It's a beautiful day. I keep saying that over and over and over, and I'm going to say it again. It is a beautiful day. Yeah, here in Ohio, we had a long winter. And even half the spring was still winter. So, yes, I'm going to say it one more time. It's a beautiful day. I have to say with that emphasis. So, looking pretty good. We were just getting ready to fly, me and Charlie, and he realized that he forgot his goggle battery at home on the chargers. So he went back home real quick, grabbed that. He also forgot his lanyard on his radio. He's gonna grab that real quick, and we're gonna get some flying in. And so I'm sitting here talking to you guys. So anyway, what's going on in the world of YouTube? Oh, really? Yeah, that's cool. I guess. Me, I've been pretty good lately. I've been feeling good. I've been feeling like I've been feeling pretty itchy about flying. I got this, I got a fly itch. I gotta fly. That's how I'm feeling. So I'm just gonna waiting on Charlie. But enough of that. Let's get something fun.
I never wanna let you go. About to speak. I'm standing here to let you know. Share you can write me a love letter, but there's nothing to say. I don't wanna take a chance on your paper romance. Anyway, share you
Hey everybody. So, yeah, I'm here still at the same spot. This area over here, not happening. We tried a couple times. I didn't try. Charlie tried. He was able to get through the area a little bit, but especially through those, you know, cameras and you know what you see in the goggles, it's a little tighter than we thought. We might have to come back here and cut some limbs down and everything. I mean, this is kind of grown over a bit, and it needs some TLC. And as you can see, you know, like some of these branches are cut down, but some of this brush and stuff needs to just be trimmed down a little bit. You know, in between, like you see some of these gaps. Some of these gaps are a little, so if we did some trimming maybe. But anyway, Charlie's back, and he said he's got a blast from the past. Let's see his blast from the past. Charlie, what do you got? Oh my. And I don't even remember what that is called.
When's the last time you seen a tube mod?
I see tube mods, but a regulated tube mod?
Hanger.
Look at this. If you don't know already, I'm a vapor. I've been vaping for about 4 years. And Charlie also does his vaping.
I try to sometimes.
But this is old. This is like really old. I mean, this would be like someone in the quad hobby, like pulling out some, like, you know, blackout.
A CC3D with Libra Pilot.
There you go.
A CC3D with Libra Pilot.
That's what this is. You know, now we have things like this, you know.
And like this. The penguin. Or dolphin.
Yeah, that's the dolphin. Which is an upgrade of the penguin. Anyway, enough of the vapor talk, because I'm sure you guys don't want to hear about that shit unless you vape. Anyway, I think it's back to flying some packs. What do you guys think? Stay tuned.
Yeah, especially interchangeable. I thought that maybe the diameter of the motor was a little bit because it's a different motor. It's a different motor than on the original. Yep. I thought couldn't quite
I think they did change it.
6 or 7
just the way you do what you want and what you like to do. Okay.
That's on this one. I can change a bunch of cameras. I got another thing I can hold.
Not to mention when it cracks, you're not sending it out, you're repairing it yourself.
I've replaced the